Scotty made $41,000 in 2 hours by trading CVS stock. I'm going to show you exactly how he did it and how you could have done it too. So first of all, this is the screenshot. This is on Robinhood. If you use Robinhood, you can recognize this interface. He made $41,100 just today, right? So this was in around a little over 2 hours. He brought his account up almost 600% and he made $41,000. So how did he do this? Let's talk about it. So he was trading options. If you don't know, options are a specific type of contract that you can trade on stocks. So with options, us as a community, Profit Insider, we're looking at two kinds of options. So we're either buying put options, meaning we're making money when the price goes down, or we're buying call options. So when we buy call options, we make money when the price of the stock goes up. And when we buy put options, we make money when the price of the stock goes down. So basically all you have to know is if you're expecting the price to go up, call options. If you're expecting the price to go down, put options. There's a lot more advanced stuff that goes into options, but if you're a beginner, if you're new, just think call options, you make money when the price goes up, put options, you make money when the price goes down. So this alert was sent out to our premium community at 1:44 p.m. on the 13th, right? So CVS, which is the stock, 61 call, so this is the strike price to buy the call options. 614, this is the expiration date of the contracts. 18 cents, this is the price per contract. And then swing trade / day trade, this is the kind of trade our options analyst Money Motive is expecting the play to be. So you can see this was sent out at 1:44 p.m. And then at 4:03 p.m., our options analyst sent out an alert that the price of this exact same contract is now at $1 per contract, right? Which is over a 500% gain, or 455% gain, I'm sorry. So it went from 18 cents per contract to $1 per contract in a little under 2 hours. And it ended up going even more than this. It ended up going well over 500%, as you can see from that screenshot. But that was a 455% gainer in a little over 2 hours. And this alert, this exact signal, was sent out to all of our premium members so they were able to get in and make money. So now let's talk a little bit about the strategy behind this trade. So why did we get in this trade? So what I'm going to be teaching you today is a very simple but powerful options strategy. So this strategy is called the gap strategy. So first, you need to understand what gaps are. So a lot of people say gap fills, gap up, gap downs, but what are gaps? Let's talk about it. So gaps are the distance between where price closes and where price opens. So right here, you can see we have a huge gap. So this is where price closed right here, and then where price opened the next day. So close, open, this is a gap. This space from, this is a buy candle, this is the close of the buy candle, then this is the open of the sell candle. Sell candle opens at the top, buy candle opens at the bottom, because when you're selling, you're moving from top down, and when you're buying, you're moving from bottom up. Right? So gap right here, and we got into this trade around here targeting this gap. So we said, okay, we just made a new low. We're going to target this gap next. So this was a gap fill play. So now this is going to help you a lot. Let's go to the next slide. So you can see right here, this is the gap. This is what it looks like, right? So this is where price closed. This is where price opened, right? So it really should be there, but I had my magnet tool, so forgive me, it's like a cent off, but the gap should start right there, but you get the idea. This is the important part, is that you see the gap and that you see where we entered the trade, which was right here, and then where we sold the trade, right, which is right here. So you can see this is just an insane gain. I mean, this is an insane gain. Price moved up, it filled the gap perfectly. So we actually sent the alert out right here. So this is literally right when we sent out the alert, right at 1 p.m. And then this is when we sent out the other alert that price is now at a 500% gain, or that the contract's now up 500%. So Scotty bought in right here when we set up the alert. So he literally just opened his phone, saw the alert. So he's just like, okay, options alert, Profit Insider, bam. He followed the alert, got in right here, saw the alert that is up 500%, got out right here. He made $41,000. I want you to think about that for a second. That is an insane day. I've been trading for almost 6 years now, and even for me, making $41,000 in a day is ridiculous. That's insane. Right? Like a good day for me is $5,000, $10,000. Sometimes I'm probably averaging around $5,000, $3,000 every day on a good day. Sometimes 10,000, sometimes a little bit more. But $41,000 is insane. It is ridiculous, right? And we're doing that every single day inside of Premium. People are making money. Some people have smaller accounts. Some people are making less money, but they're still making tons of money. So now let's go into some other screenshots of profits people made on this exact same CVS trade that I just showed you. So my man Alec made $840 in, what do you say, 5 minutes, right? That's awesome. So he got in there. My man Nick had his first $1,000 day. He bought for $983 and he sold for around $2,500, giving him around $1,500 profit on CVS. So it's his first $1,000 day. So congratulations, Nick. You always remember your first $1,000 day just because it feels so nice, especially when you're working. I remember my first $1,000 day. I was so happy. I was like, fuck yeah. But this is JJ Trades. He is up $215 on the CVS. This is actually a different CVS position that we took, but it's a swing trade, but still in the same stock, still in that same gap fill. My man Xavier is up $432, so he made $432 off of that trade following the CVS play on the 13th. Beautiful, beautiful. This is Alec again. So this is when Alec sold. So he said he ended up selling here for $1,000. So he ended up making $1,000. Remember, he was up $840. This is where he sold. So he made $1,000 on that trade. My man T Money is up 357%. Jeez. And he said he locked in profits right there, which is a great place to lock in profits. I mean, just look at that gain. Look at that fucking huge jump. If you trade options, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't trade options, when you have a huge move up like this on your options contract and you're in the position, you just know you're making a ton of money. So if you trade options, you're looking at this right now and you're like, yeah, this is nice. This is nice. So some more profits. So this is my man Pablo. He's trading futures. I just wanted to show you all real quick. Shout out to Pablo. I've been working with him one-on-one. He's one of my lifetime premium students. So lifetime premium members, they actually get full access to my personal contacts. So they can reach out to me at any time with any questions. So Pablo's been taking full advantage of that, and he made $1,300 in a day with a 1 to 5 risk to reward from a London high rejection. So basically, he was looking at the London session high. He expected price to reject. It did, and he got a nice high risk to reward setup, which is what we do. That's what we do with my strategy. We're always catching high risk to reward, high probability setups, A+ setups, and we're making a ton of money. So this was his first trade as part of the Discord. He made $141. Awesome. Nice first trade. Nice first trade. Already made back the cost of the membership plus more. Cool, cool, cool. Right, so my man B-Rock made $840 from CVS. Right, so he probably bought for a little bit less, but he made $840. So he probably made around $600, just assuming he bought for $100. So around $600 profit. Shout out B-Rock. My man M2E Spooky. Great fucking day. 3-day win streak. All green, baby. Gold strats. Let's fucking go. That's what we do. $727 for him on his Apex account. So he's getting funded. And he's using a funded account. That's awesome to see. 3-day win streak's nice. 3-day win streak's very nice. So this is Winter J. Winter J is a really, really advanced trader. If you're watching this, man, shout out to you. He's always helping out people in the community, always giving good insights. I really appreciate it. So he made $325, and he said he missed out on the 300%. So he could have made $3,000, but he still made $325, which is nice. I completely relate to that. As somebody who scalps, I often end up missing the larger move, but you still made $300, right? Nothing bad about that at all. $300 from clicking buttons on your phone, not a bad way to do things. My man, Me Hockey, made $152, 380% gain. Beautiful, beautiful. My man Fern Gully made $1,500. He was actually on the live stream while I was calling out some trades. Professor C on crypto made $850. So we're doing everything in here. We're doing crypto, we're doing stocks, we're doing it all. My man Janju Hurd made $448 on CVX, right? CVX. So a little bit different of a stock, but still making money, right? And then we have Scotty to finish it off with $41,000 in a day, right? $41,000 in a day. That's what we do. So if you're watching this, you're probably wondering what the hell is going on inside this guy's premium community. So I'm going to show you everything we do inside of premium real quick. So first we have a premium chat. So this is the chat. This is where we're sharing ideas. This is actually one of the most valuable aspects of premium because I'm in here. All of our analysts are in here constantly helping people out, guiding people. So if you want to talk to me, if you want to reach out to me, if you have a question for me, DMs is not the place to do it. Instagram's not the way to do it. Premium chat is the way to do it. So if you are somebody who wants to talk to me, hop in premium chat, tag me, and I'll answer, right? I answer a ton of these messages. I'm always in here interacting. And we're doing cool stuff in here. You can see Ashton got funded. My man Dallas Dragon is buying some Tommy Hilfiger drip with the profits he's made from our premium community. He said premium did this, not coming out of profit, not coming out of pocket at all. And then this is my man Yash helping somebody out with a beginner stock. Or with a beginner question, with a beginner question about how they can trade stocks. So he's helping people out. So we're beginner friendly, right? People always ask, can I join if I'm a beginner? Absolutely. If you're a beginner, it's probably even really helpful to join because when you're a beginner, you're going to try to do so many of these things on yourself. So it's so nice having a community because you'll be able to learn much, much faster because you're able to ask people how they did this, how to do that. You're able to talk to me and you just have a much better place to learn versus if you're just trying to do it all yourself. So we have the daily watch list. So every single day we send out 2 major key liquidity levels for multiple assets based on realistic probabilities of what price is likely to do. So we can say SPY over 531, we see new all-time highs. So this is from the other day, this is from May. But if you look at these and if you go back and track these, they'll all be super correct. QQQ over $454, we see a new all-time high. QQQ below $451, we see $47 and below. So we just send out 2 liquidity levels for what price is likely to do. And this is the options alert, right? So these are the alerts we sent out. This is exactly what we were doing with CVS, as I talked about in the beginning of the video, but this is just another example of what we're doing. We're sending out alerts, or signals as some people call them, on what options trades to get into. And this is how Scotty was able to make $41,000 by following our alerts. And then we send out I send out my game plan for futures every single morning. Very, very detailed analysis of exactly what price is likely to do and how I will be playing price. And I always drop in some knowledge in there as well to help everybody out. And then I also do a live stream every single morning, every single weekday. I am live and we're trading futures. We are looking at ES and sometimes NQ, but usually ES. I also do a little bit of Q&A on there. So if I'm on there, I'm analyzing, and if I see your question pop up and I go, oh, that's a good question, I'll answer your question, right? So whether that be about mindset, trading, life, health, anything, I'll help you out. We also send alerts for futures right here. So we send out alerts, so NQ shorts, blah, blah, blah. This is before the alert. We also send out chart analysis so you can see why we're taking the trade. Then bam, alert hit, plus 30 points. That's what we do. We make money. Then we also have a full educational program inside of Premium, which a lot of people don't know about. We kind of keep that a little bit of a secret, but I'll tell you right now, we do have a full course inside of Premium. So if you do join Premium, you have complete access to our entire course, starting from the very beginning. This is literally the most basic stuff. So if you're a beginner, we literally talk about what trading is. The video starts out with me going, what is trading? Then we teach you how to use TradingView. We teach you how to use the application. So we answer all your questions. What broker should you use? How much money do you need? How do you get started? All that good stuff. We answer it completely in our full course. And then we have a full guide on my strategy. And then we also give you a full blueprint. This video is done by me. As you can see right there, I'm in that little box right there. But your full blueprint to becoming a profitable trader. So exactly what steps you need to take in order to become profitable. We have that right there. And then join the family, right? So we currently at the moment, we have a few spots available. So if you do want to join, you're gonna have to be fast, but you can join using the link in the description. So this is what we have. We have chat, watch list, alerts, then we have the courses, and then we have the lounge, right? So good stuff. And this is just what somebody was saying the other day about Premium. He said he joined about a week ago, couldn't be happier. And he said that he said, I'm reiterating some points that he has read in books. This is actually a book done by one of the most famous traders ever, famous trading coaches ever, wrote a book called Trading the Zone. Mark Douglas, shout out to Mark Douglas. And rest in peace to Mark Douglas. He was very, very helpful in the trading community. He helped a lot of people, including myself, become great traders. So yeah, he just says, I call plays to the dot every single day. And he's just been watching how me and my team work, and the plays they make have a high probability. He was able to make $3,000 in profits, paid for the membership and more. So he's a lifetime member, so he made his membership back plus a lot more. Cool, yeah, so don't miss out. If you would like to join Premium, click the link in the description. As long as you can still see the option to join, that means that we still have spots available. So if you want to join Premium, links in the description. Have a nice day, right? Have a great day. I enjoyed talking to you. Talk to you all soon. Peace.